Hey everybody, so today I have my Erin Condren seasonal surprise box. I'm so excited to show you what I got. So if you'd like to see, keep on watching. Okay, so if you are new around here, I am not one of those big planners, but I love planner stuff, and I am not someone who constantly gets a seasonal surprise box. I've maybe this is my third or fourth. And contrary to most people, I like the lifestyle stuff. So I thought I'd show you what's in this season's box. Now, if you're unfamiliar to Erin Condren's seasonal surprise box, it's quarterly, like seasonal, and it's not a subscription. So it's basically, you've got to order one when they launch, and if they run out, they run out. So, and they're a surprise. Look at my hair is extra curly today. So yeah, so there was a sneak peek if you ordered a life planner or anything else. Since the planners launched, they had a little sneak peek, and that's really what intrigued me. So I'm excited to kind of see what else is in the box. So they come, I love the color inside. I love yellow, so perfect. It tells you everything in there. I think it tells you how much it retails for, if it's exclusive or it's a sneak peek. So let's open it up. Boy, it's so cute, you guys. I love the colors. Oh my gosh, that is all the summer vibes, right? Okay, so this is actually what was the sneak peek, and there is something inside of it. So I'm gonna pull out. It's this in this clear pouch, and I love it. It says, "I make my own sunshine." And you guys, I love any kind of clear bag. So when I saw this, I thought, yeah, I'm gonna get it. I love it. It's a really good size. I just picture myself using this. I'm going to Hawaii soon, and I love putting like kind of like sunblocks and stuff like that so they don't spill in your beach bag. It's a great thing for, you know, anything like that. So let's see. So this is exclusive, and it's a clear quote a wristlet. It retails for $15. So I'm super excited about that. That is like literally the reason why I purchased the box. And if you don't know, and I didn't mention, they're $39.99 a season, so not too bad if you ask me. Okay, next up is this, and it is a mini kaleidoscope colorful petite journal, and it's exclusive, and it retails for $6. So I kind of think like this is really small for everyday life. I don't know how much I would use it, but if you are kind of taking in the summer season, if you go on trips and you want to write down things or save things in here, this would be perfect. So super cute. I love the kaleidoscope theme. I love the colors. I love the gold accents. I like everything about it. I just don't know how much use I would get out of something so small, but it did come inside something like this. So if you're traveling or something like that, put that inside. Keep track of whenever you feel like. Okay, next up are these palm paper clips. Super cute. They're rose gold, and these are the mini kaleidoscope colorful petite. That is what I just okay, let's try it again. This is the shaped palm paper clips. You get 9. These are a sneak peek, and it's $8.50 value. Super cute. I think they could be cute in a planner. I am not a big like decorative paper clip. I like the straight old original, but I can definitely see how you can use this in your planner. They're super cute and really do fit the theme of the box, and I really do like that it kind of sticks with the summer theme. Okay, next up, ooh, it's a petite planner summer journal, and this is a sneak peek, and it's a $14 value, which they retail online for $14. And so basically it says it includes 3 undated monthly spreads, on daily journaling prompts, spaces for memory keeping, list selection for your summer to-dos, world map to record all of your summer adventures, and exclusive metallic sticker sheet. So what a great little thing to have. And again, it goes along with the theme of summer traveling, and I really like this, and I love it. So basically, oh, this is really cute. You've got this book belongs to, oh, I love it. You see that the light's a little bit bright. There you go. The ring light is a little bit bright tonight. So you definitely get these kind of like undated and it doesn't tell you the month. So if you wanted to use this in the fall, in the spring, and you want to save it, you totally could, because although it's meant for summer, that's not how you have to use it. And so you have to-dos, birthdays, special occasions, dot grid. And then they have like prompts, and so I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but like, I want the summer to be a moment that made me laugh today was, I want to create, people I want to connect with this summer. So man, I would have loved this for like all my summer travel. So there's a lot of prompts throughout it at the end of the month. So you get a month, and then the prompts for the month are behind it. And then this beautiful map when it says mark where you've been and where you want to go. That's super fun. I would love just like a permanent one of those as I check things off my list. And there's the other side of the world. And then they also have all these like summer lists, like nearby places to visit, faraway places to visit, places to eat, places to shop, summer day activities, all of that. And then in the back there's this adorable pocket with a sticker sheet. Oh, and then there's the dates to mark the days of the month. The days of the month. Yeah, days of the month, that's right. And some fun like little stickers. So that's super cute, and I love that. And you know what, I am looking to get a petite journal, so I don't know, I might have to do that soon so I can put this in a petite journal, petite planner. Lord help me today. All right, so we've got a few more things. We have 2 sticker sheets. Let's see. It says 3, $7.50 value. Maybe there's 3. Okay, so there's these fun like tropical theme that say summer 11, fill in tropical adventure, some toucans, some leaves, some really cute stuff. I think there's only 1. And then these are really cute, and these are the just kind of more to use in your journal. You can use them, I'm sure, in this planner, but you can also use them in your regular life planner. And there's just some washi, some flags, some little other flag stickers, and some that say today, reminder, ASAP, all those kind of that we're used to for Erin Condren in these beautiful summer shades. I'm gonna open this up and see if there's more than 1. It says 3. But no, I don't know if maybe they included the sticker sheet in the back as one of the 3, because these are both just 2. So I'm assuming they're including the one in the back of the journal as the 3rd, because again, there's just 1 of these and 1 of those. Okay, let's see what's up next. Oh, you guys, I got a bonus. Not a bonus box, just a bonus. You were supposed to get an asterisk ballpoint pen for a $10.50 value, but 2. I think they just like accidentally put 2 in, but I'll take 2. These are adorable, rose gold. These are a sneak peek. They're adorable, and I've heard they write really well, so I'm excited to have 2. Lucky me, lucky me. And then the last thing, which I think a lot of people are kind of excited for and are loving, is this cover that says Chase the Sun. I love this, and I know that people that love planning and really want planning stuff in these seasonal surprise boxes are so excited to have something like this. They love when they get covers, so I love it. Yeah, you guys, I really like it. I'm not a big cover changer, but I do really like this one. It could be fun as I start to plan in my new life planner next month. Yeah, I like that. And I think there's a kind of a nice mix of like functional stuff for planning, and then some really fun stuff like the wristlet. And even this, like, you can use to put some of your planner stuff in for the summer and kind of keep it along in your bag. So I think that they're great stuff. I really liked it. I really enjoyed it. So yeah, if you got it, tell me if you liked it. What was your favorite item down below? If you are interested in Erin Condren, hit the link down below for $10 off your first order. I guarantee you will not regret it. Such good stuff that she makes. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.